Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Violin Kids is probably one of the most rewarding musical instruments for children to learn, offering a journey of creativity, discipline, and focused development. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the perfect beginner violin for your young aspiring musician, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable learning experience. Number 5. Mendini Cecilio 4/4 Violin. It's the perfect instrument for beginners of all ages. Everything you need to start playing is included in this complete set. This beautifully crafted violin boasts a solid wood body for rich tone. Its elegant design makes it a joy to play and look at. The kit includes a bow, extra strings, rosin, shoulder rest, and a protective hard case. You'll have everything you need to begin your musical adventure. Available in 8 sizes, it ensures a comfortable and proper playing experience for everyone. Measure from your neck to your palm to find the perfect size for you. Remember, it's a delicate instrument. The bridge is not preset to prevent shipping damage. Always handle the tuning pegs gently. What we like? It includes everything a beginner needs to start playing. If you're looking for a great value full-size violin kit with all the essentials, this is a great option for you. It's perfect for kids and adults starting their musical journey, offering a solid foundation for learning. What people say. The violin set does come with an extra set of strings and an extra bridge. I like having those extra pieces as backups just in case. It comes with everything you need: nice case, bow, rosin, shoulder rest, extra bridge, extra strings, and it looks beautiful. Overall, amazing. This violin sounds amazing. Clear, crisp, and does not sound like a toy, which is what I thought it would sound like. Number 4. Eastar EVA 214 Violin. This beautiful quarter-size violin is perfect for young beginners. It's crafted with care, using high-quality materials for a rich sound. It features a spruce top, maple back and sides, and a hand-applied antique varnish. Notice the smooth finish and inlaid black lines. The fingerboard has inlaid markers to help you find the right notes quickly. This makes learning and practicing much easier. It includes a high-quality maple neck, pearwood fingerboard, and precisely tuned pegs. These details ensure it stays in tune and plays beautifully. This complete set comes with a bow, rosin, shoulder rest, extra strings, and a protective hard case. You'll have everything you need to start playing right away. The Eastar EVA 2 is more than just an instrument, it's a gateway to a world of music. Order yours today. What we like? This violin has an imprinted finger guide, making it super easy for beginners to find the right notes. If you are a beginner who wants to learn quickly and efficiently, this is the right choice for you. The durable construction ensures it can withstand the wear and tear of learning. What people say. It's been roughly 15 years since I've played and I just had an itch to pick it up again. I didn't want to spend a fortune in case I didn't find the time to play regularly. This beautiful violin and setup is a wonderful deal. The violin came well packaged. The finish on the violin is beautiful, just as pictured. The included electronic tuner has a setting just for violin. I am very impressed with this violin. It arrived exceptionally well packed, which is so important, as violins need to be handled carefully. The shipping packaging helped ensure this, and the actual instrument case is much higher quality than I had expected to receive with a violin at this price. It is strong and sturdy with handles and shoulder straps for easy carrying. Opening the case showed that the violin was shipped with the strings loosened and the bridge removed. This is sensible as it is less likely the bridge will be damaged in transport, but does then require some assembly before being payable. The included electronic tuner with the fine tuning pegs makes it very easy to keep the violin in tune. The sound is clear and crisp and the violin has a great rich resonance. I've had this violin for well over a year now. I rarely have to fine-tune it and never have to retune it fully and haven't in at least a year. I can make this violin sound like my instructors, which is exciting as a learner and says a lot for the violin itself. There has been no issues with the strings, pegs, etc. since it was replaced from the defective original. This is a great beginner violin if you follow all the setup and care recommendations. Number 3. Cecilio CVNAE Violin. This stunning instrument is perfect for both beginners and experienced players. Its beautiful pearl white finish and high-quality materials make it a joy to play. It features a hand-carved solid spruce top and solid maple back and sides, ensuring rich, resonant tone. These woods are carefully selected for their superior acoustic properties. Notice the ebony pegs, chin rest, and fingerboard, all hallmarks of a superior instrument. It also includes a tailpiece with 4 fine tuners for precise intonation. It comes complete with everything you need to start playing right away. This includes a Brazil wood bow, a lightweight hard case, and high-quality rosin. This violin offers exceptional value and quality. It's the perfect choice for musicians of all levels. Experience the difference. Enjoy the versatility of both acoustic and electric performance. It features volume and tone controls for easy adjustments. The included adjustable shoulder rest provides comfort during long practice sessions. The soft foam padding and rubber feet ensure a secure and comfortable fit. What we like? It's both acoustic and electric, giving you flexibility in where and how you play. If you want a versatile instrument that can be used for both practice and performance, this is a great choice. The high-quality materials and construction ensure a rich sound. Number 2. Vangoa 1/2 size violin. It features a hand-carved, matte-varnished body, giving it a classic and elegant look. The sound is clear and bright, perfect for beginners. High-quality tuning pegs make it simple to tune and maintain its pitch. A digital tuner is included to assist you. This set includes a helpful guidebook and note stickers to get you started quickly. It's perfect for kids and teens. Practice anytime without disturbing others. A practice mute is included to significantly reduce the volume. Everything you need is included: a case, rosin, extra strings, a bow, shoulder rest, and more. You'll be ready to play right away. What we like? This half-size violin is perfect for younger beginners. If you are looking for a smaller, easier-to-handle violin that is still high quality, this is a great option. The easy-to-tune pegs make it simple to keep in tune, which is essential for beginners. What people say? The sound quality is impressive for the price, and the craftsmanship appears solid. The violin is easy for my son to handle, and the included accessories, bow, case, and rosin, are practical and of good quality. Looks beautiful, well made, and it was boxed very carefully. The wood is smooth and lustrous, and it looks like high-quality components. This is definitely a musical instrument, not a toy. Number 1. Pyle 4/4 Violin Kit. It's crafted from solid wood with a stunning flame veneer finish on the top, back, and sides. The fingerboard and chin rest are made of dyed hardwood, ensuring both beauty and durability. This violin is perfect for players aged 12 and up. Its high-quality construction and design make it suitable for both beginners and more experienced musicians. Everything you need to get started is included. You'll receive extra strings, a clip-on tuner, a shoulder rest, and a cleaning cloth, all in one convenient package. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned performer, this violin is a great choice. It's perfect for students, kids, and adults alike. Made with maple and splint wood, and featuring metal strings and a metal pole plate, it's built to last. The rosin included ensures optimal bowstring friction for a rich sound. What we like? Made of premium solid wood, this violin offers excellent sound quality. If you are looking for a high-quality, full-featured violin at a reasonable price, this is a great choice. The complete kit includes everything you need to get started, making it a great value for beginners. What people say? For the price, cannot be beat. This is a working violin. I mean, it sounds like a violin to my untrained ears. The sound may not be deep or rich, or whatever other adjective violin players use, but hey, for the price, you can get to verify if the user likes it short term, and then move on to a better one. This is a very nice set for beginners. Bow is nice, brand new, so make sure you put a lot of rosin. I really like how it's a complete set with a nice lightweight case, shoulder rest, tuner, cleaning cloth, and rosin. The case is great, and the other things that came with it, like the chin holder and tuner, is a nice plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.